All right. All right, John, SYY. Believe that's Cisco. They have earnings tomorrow before the opening of the market. And we got to let these option markets percolate a little bit here, because it doesn't look like anything might be live val. Nope, that's working. For some reason, doesn't look like SYY markets are open yet with the stock up a couple bucks. So actually earnings were this morning, excuse me, and that's why the markets aren't open there yet, because the stock is up a couple bucks. There we go. What are you looking at, John?